The Olight Opry Titanium Pry Bar. They're calling it a 5-in-1. 14mm wrench, bottle opener. It's got metric and SAE measuring. Oh, I can't zoom in on that. There it goes. It's also got this. You can turn this. These come out. Excuse me. And then so this can go in the back. And it does snap in. So you can turn it. A couple torques, I guess you can call them. And then the blade, Phillips head and a blade. And then if you can't fit the length of this, you can actually get into a tighter spot. And I'm assuming you can use it like that too. Yeah, it fits perfectly in there. So these just slide in the slot. Yeah. That kind of day. And then it just turns back. I don't know how reliable this is going to be to hold, but it's pretty nice. Clips. $49 pretty much everywhere. I mean, there are some places that said 42, but not ones that I recognize. It's a 1.98, 4 ounces. It shows the 5 different things they're saying it's good for. The body length is 4.59 inches, and it is made out of titanium. I'm assuming in China. For that price. Now I got this as a gift in conjunction with this, and I never really do unboxings, but I just thought this was a really nice packaged presentation. So if you're ever going to give this as a gift, it's their Redeemed Creations EDC wallet leather that is made in conjunction to use with the pry bar, but it's mainly for a Lynch pry bar, only certain sizes. I'll get into that in a second. Comes with a flight tag, nice box. Little bag. There's different colors. My wife helped me pick this out since I'm colorblind. This is the brown, distressed brown with the red stitching. I think you can get standard brown stitching, and you can get black. I just put some generic cards in here. It says it probably about 3 on each side without the pry bar in there. And then it has this opening here. The problem I have with this pry bar is I think it's too thick and too long. I knew this going in. I was just hoping it was going to work. So if you get it in there, it's a little too long, and then what happens is it bows it right here because it's so thick, and you wouldn't be able to get more than one card there. I mean, you can get it to work if you didn't mind it, bulging out of your pocket like that. So I'm going to end up just buying the proper. I'll probably keep this myself, throw it in the toolbox or the motorhome. I don't really carry a pry bar around and want a pocket clip. And then just buy the right Lynch clip for this. The pry bar that they talk about. It is really well made. Nice compact, wallet for us. I only carry a certain amount of cards too, so this is a perfect size for me if I was going to carry something like this. So Redeemed Creations, $70. I think they're all about the same price. Shows the different sizes they are designed to carry your 1.5, 2.5, and 2.6, along with 6 to 9 cards in cash. Talks about the different leathers, closed measurements, and the approximate weight. So I was hoping that the Olight was going to work, because who I'm gifting this, they would want more of the features that have that Olight on there, but that's fine. So it's not something I normally do on this channel. I just thought this was a really cool gift from Lynch. I've bought, I don't know, probably $1,000 worth of clips from Lynch for my different Spydercos and other knives. So, he does great. He has great service, but and he's just expanding all the time. He's selling knives now, complete knives with his clips on there. If you haven't checked out Lynch Northwest, it's just go on his site. And I've had a couple issues in the past where they were lost, or one was bent, right out. One of the machine clips was bent, and he, no questions asked, just send me a new one. So I can't stress enough Lynch Northwest. So the Olight Opry Pry Bar Titanium 5-in-1, and the Redeemed Creations EDC wallet leather in association with Lynch Northwest. Thanks. Hope everybody's doing well.